Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life, enjoying the patterns and the designs which I am sharing with you. So guys, once again I am with amazing video. You will definitely love the video because all the patterns and stitches which I have included in this video are really amazing. These are the dresses, long dresses you can make with crochet. Really classy and trendy dresses are included in this video and really beautiful with beautiful flares and color combinations. You will definitely love all the designs of long dresses which I have included in this video. You can just wear these kind of dresses anywhere in any occasion you're going for. They are really comfortable and amazing with beautiful color combination and amazing stitches. So guys, please watch the full video for amazing ideas and you will definitely love the video because really trendy and classy dresses are included. These kind of dresses are really in nowadays because they are so super comfortable, because when the thing and the yarn which you use for the crochet are really soft for the skin, so you can just make these amazing dresses for yourself or to make as a gift for loved ones, because they are so amazing and really valuable. Because when you make these things by yourself, it has you know the value is something different from other normal things. So just make these things for yourself and for your loved ones. You will definitely enjoy making these amazing dresses. You can see the patterns are really amazing and colors are really eye-catching and trendy. So please watch the full video for amazing ideas. As you know that I bring these kind of information and collection to give you complete idea about the patterns and the designs which are in nowadays, which are really classy. And and every day in crochet pattern there are new stitches, new patterns are coming, so I just make sure that you get updated and you just don't miss out any new design about the crochet, any new pattern. You just don't miss out, you just get all the information and collection, so that I make these amazing collection and videos for you. I hope you are liking all the patterns and the content which I am sharing and making for you. If you're liking the content, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I post any new video you can get the notification and you can watch the video on time. You can use these amazing ideas for your crochet makings, or you can share these amazing videos with your friends also, so that they can also use these amazing ideas. And guys, if you are liking all the content, please let me know in the comment and give me your feedback through your comments. Let me know what kind of things you're liking in the video, what kind of things you want to watch more, and what kind of things you want to know about the crochet, so that whenever I make any video, I just keep in mind about the things you like and you want to know, so I just can make videos accordingly and you can enjoy more. And if you're liking all the content, please share these video with your friends also, and also keep sharing, keep liking, and keep watching the videos, keep giving the most amazing response which you are already giving to my channel, which is highly appreciated, and really that really means a lot. I'm really thankful for that. And if you want to know something more about the crochet, stick to my channel. I'll be making more videos in the future and you will definitely love all the things which I am going to make and going to share with you on the channel. For that, just wait for upcoming videos and watch all the collection which I am sharing. If you want to make something special like home decor, anything like anything you want to make with the crochet, you just go to my channel. There are so many patterns, so many collections uploaded there. You can get all the information and details about the crochet and the collections. Please watch all the videos there and you will definitely get your favorite ideas to make with crochet. Thanks a lot for giving the valuable time to watch this video, and I am going to share more information and collection with you. You will definitely enjoy the collection, and keep sharing and keep watching the videos, and also subscribe to the channel. You will be getting so many amazing ideas on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.